actually starting to like the Frodekis name than the other name. Thank you. Dowa East.
Thank you, Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker. First of all, allow me to extend congratulations to you, the Speaker and the Second Deputy Speaker, for being elected as our leaders in this House. Honorable Minister of Gender, I want to thank you for a very good statement. Many people would like to comment on issues to do with other sectors, and they don't prioritize issues with disability. But you have given us a very good statement on persons with disability, and I want to thank you. You have also highlighted quite a number of affirmative actions that the ministry is doing, which is commendable. I would like, therefore, want to extend and ask if indeed the affirmative action would go and ensure a right to education is indeed achieved. We have seen, for instance, persons with albinism have got an issue with their visual, how they're able to read, and when it's time for exams, they are given the very same time with people that are able to read, and their concentration therefore affects them. Are you going, Honorable Minister, for instance, to go a mile and allow persons with albinism, young people, young children, even to be allocated a bit more time during exams so that their right to education is not denied just because they are visually impaired? Secondly, Right Honorable Speaker, through you, I want to, sorry, my sister Sidna Bange, that's why it's Sankaso. I want to know if indeed
Honor members to my right, allow me to listen from Dowa East in silence.
And Honorable Speaker, maybe because I am addressing you, I will not respond to that, but I am so much thanking the Honorable Minister for a beautiful statement she has given. And there's no crime for me to ask a question, to say I didn't do something, therefore I should not ask. I have the right as a Malawian, and I will ask any question. And no one is going to stop me asking any question. And that one, I tell you, I'll do that. Yeah. No one is going to ask me what to say. If you read what I've said, I've commended the minister and I've not committed any crime. And you cannot tell me to stop asking questions.
Point of order.
I represent Dowa East and I will not stop doing that. Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker. Another affirmative action I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, adding from what, if there will be indeed an affirmative action in recruitment. We have seen persons with albinism being recruited in police and others. But if you walk around Parliament, you will not find any person with albinism. You will look at all other places. Would you, Honorable Minister, with this good statement, consider giving more affirmative actions so that we include persons with albinism in recruitment and making sure they're enjoying the right for being Malawians? Right Honorable Speaker, finally, to thank you for giving Dowa East and recognizing that as Dowa East, I'll ask questions like any other person in this House. Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you very much, Honourable Member. Mwanza Central. Mwanza Central.
I see the leader is standing.
Point of order.
Okay. Thank you very much. Second.
Point of order. Point of order.
Honourable member, what has gone out of order?
Yes, the minister gave the statement, but it is not yet secreted. So some of the information that she presented, we are unable to put them together. So wanted it, if she can do it so that we contribute it for the sake of some of our friends who are just joining us. Thank you.
Taken. Honourable member for
Rumpi East.
Is that another point of order?
Yes, Honourable.
Okay.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker, sir. Is it in order that the member just asking the Minister of Gender now from Doha?
Point of order cannot reflect on a member who did not make any statement. The honourable member in question from Doha, was that Doha East?
Yes.
Was only asking a question, did not make any statement.
No, the question, he pointed out that in the minister's statement, she didn't mention on how to promote people with albinism to be part of this house. So is it in order that they had a member who was campaigning under the party, he's of an albinism, but they didn't support that member to retain
Thank you very much.
Is it in order?
Thank you very much. That point of order is not sustained. All questions, honourable members, all questions on a statement should be addressed to the honourable minister. Yeah, point of order, there's Mrunguni.
Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker, for giving the people of the Zamrunduni an opportunity to rise on a point of order. First Deputy Speaker, the Honourable Minister's responses are well appreciated. And in his response, he did touch, or he did speculate, that there are people that made donations, or governments that made donations to this country in form of fertilizer and fuel. And he goes on to say, this matter is on his table, and the fuel and the fertilizer never went through the government channels to benefit Malawians. The government is here to make sure that wrongs are corrected, and not just coming here to make utterances, speculations, because that's not what Malawians want out there. If anyone took fertilizer that was meant for Malawi, if anyone diverted fuel that was meant for Malawi, the duty of the government is to make sure that such people are brought to book. The Honourable Minister should not come here to make speculations, innuendos, those that stole must be brought to book. So I beg of you, Honourable Speaker, to call upon the Honourable Minister to name and shame the people that are behind the fertilizer and the fuel, not just to say words that are not that are just speculations. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And thank you very much. Order, honour members, order. Thank you very much. That order, Lilongwe Nyanja, order. Lilongwe Nyanja, order. Honour members, order, honour members. Thank you very much. I would like to, I'm being tempted to sustain your point of order. Actually, the Honourable Minister of Finance has said he has evidence, and at any given time, he is ready to bring forward that evidence to the House, and that will be respected. Honour members, the bill now. Honour members, the bill is now at committee stage. Leader, do you want me to recognize you before the committee stage? Thank you, Leader.
First Deputy Speaker, excuse me, can I have...
Leader is on the floor, honour members. Leader is on the floor, honour members, order.
I just want to say one thing. We are in serious business here. And therefore, I would like to appeal to every member in this House to please maintain decorum. Let's avoid making unnecessary noise. The issues that have been raised will be addressed at an appropriate time. For now, let us concentrate on the bill that we want to dispose of. No, I'm just speaking to all sides of the House. Please, let's remain orderly. So even that side, even on our side, let us please maintain order, and so it is on that side. Please, please, please. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.